supposed to have that celebration in our members live this week, sometime this week, so I'm going to be there. Um, he just did it by being serious, by wanting to give back, by wanting, by taking in gratitude. And that's what this um, link is that he's posted um, about. And so please go over, give him some love at Way of Waters. If you like that channel, check out his main channel at Reese Waters on YouTube. He's also on Instagram. Once you go to his page, you'll see all his other links. And see what it's like living life without a mask, because that's what he's showing. He's showing us how to live unmasked, genuine, and from a place of gratitude. That's how he became successful. Okay. And I'm hoping one day that I can say I have 400,000 followers. It's not about the amount of people. It's about the amount of connection, the amount of engagement. And 4 months ago, it'll be 5 months in April, when his membership just took off. That's what we have in that community, a sense of unity, a sense of connection that covers every ethnic group. Everyone in that community is rooting for each other. And that's not something I've experienced. And so I'm very grateful. Thank you, Reese, for not quitting, so you can help other creators live life without that mask as well. Okay? Have a great day. I'm so excited I can do lives now. And the more people I get, that's why it's important. The more people I get, I can have long form lives. I can have full trainings. I'm crying because I'm just so excited. I almost quit before the magic happened, before I was able to do a live. And I only see people once a month. So connecting with you here on here is really important to me. I need other people too. Okay, I don't want to be COVID isolated anymore. I am still COVID isolated exactly the same way I was in COVID. Exactly. I don't have a vehicle because I had a stroke and I can't drive right now. So I have to rely on other people to take me in town, and that's on their own time, and that's usually only once or twice a month. So I have to entertain myself here. That's why I write so much content, because I have nothing else to do. To talk to my cats, my dogs. I've been prepping my garden, and I'm really excited about that because our weather has finally gotten nice. So everything's in bloom, and my allergies are in full effect. That's why you hear my voice the way it is the last couple of weeks. I live 11 miles south of Kilauea volcano. So the volcano chemical fog is affecting my sinuses, my lungs, and there's really nothing I can do about that. I could wear a mask, but then I live outdoors. I don't have windows, so but I have to be careful because that's how I had my first stroke in 2018 with the other lava flow. But this isn't flowing. It's just an eruption, which is different. So I just wanted to pop on here, and hopefully some of you will see it. Nobody's caught me live yet, so that's okay. Let's see what else I can do on here. Oh, it's got retouch on, retouch off. Oh, so I can play with it.